Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Hello, my uncle.
Hello, my son.
How are you?
I'm fine. What
I-
about you?
I'm good. I want to ask you,
Yes, my son. About what?
how was education in the past?
Uh, the education in the past. It's a long story. The education in the past, it's very difficult. And at that time, there was not a large classroom. And we can't study after sunset. And don't have the tools for doing the practicals. Also, the teacher uses the theory lectures and traditional lesson that were repeat every time. And one of the big problem in the past, most of the teacher use physical punishment because that the student don't feel comfortable and unable to concentrate and engage more in the learning process as it affects student behavior and work ethic, and the student cannot obtaining the information from outside source. Because all of this problem, the education, it's very difficult in the past. Now you know how was the education in the past. I want to ask you, are there any different in education now?
Yes, of course, there are many different. In this time, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia developed the education more and more. It has built the best colleges. Also contract with the best international university to develop the education in the kingdom. It also focus on technical education, and one of the best college in this field is Technical and Vocational Training Corporation. There are many development in TVTC like campus, building, more classroom and workshop.
Modern classrooms equipped with the latest means of safety, technology, and equipment, including classrooms, workshops, and other modern advanced technology with the aim of promoting and developing education process. There are presently at Technical College new workshops and labs also include air conditioning systems and with good lighting distribution. Also, it is designed with the latest firefighting system and safety tools that makes the classroom secured and safe technical means and equipment of the security rates. Simulation devices and software now available for the trainers to develop their learning process, and they also have measurements and instrument devices to show them accurate result and reading. Also, in the present, a projector was a tool used by the teacher to explain to the student and also presented clips that help students explain lesson better than the past. And use a smart board in the classroom enable the teacher to move graphics and chips. Blackboard is a smart and effective way to attract students, helps to achieve positive interaction within the classroom between teacher and student. The teacher can use modern technical means to facilitate and simplify the subject. The condition for individual works is the student motivation, self-control, ability, and differentiation. The teacher can use individual work as the teacher provide each student as separate. Then they will process and settle the separate problem by self each student alone. Another effective teaching method is cooperative education. This type of education based on the collected student to form small groups so that the student feel the responsibility to learn and also teach each other to achieve common goals and the cooperation between the students. The education in future will be very different like. The campus will be one building and on one roof. The college will be designed globally in terms of easy access to buildings and moving from one building to another by metro or elevator. Also, special places will be designed for cars in the form of rules to take cars as many as possible. The college also will be located in the industrial cities instead of having training inside the college workshops. In addition, there will be a special accommodation for trainees near the college. In the future, the college will form the basis of the country economy in 2030. The increases will be in terms of trainees. Therefore, it is necessary to create more colleges. The classroom designed in future will be more different from our time. We will see a new way for classroom management. There will more consideration for the technology. For example, trainees will carry one smart tablet which include their electronic box. Also, this evaluation will help teachers to lecture more than one classes at the same time online. In laboratory, the safety devices will be more accurate. Workshops will include more tools in smaller space. I wish that the measurement devices will be smarter than now. For example, you can measure any different things without adjusting cables or settings.